I'm in love. Cupid called. He says, your drink game needs an upgrade. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground and happy Valentine's Day. It's that time of year where we spoil our sweetheart, do all kind of things to tell them how much we love them, and a great cocktail is the perfect way to kick off your celebration, add to your special dinner or whatever. If you're having a party, staying in, going out, entertaining, whatever you're going to do, these are perfect to amp up that celebration of love and romance. And I'm going to make three for you. And the first one is called a raspberry velvet fizz. And we all need some little bubbles to celebrate that special day. And this one is 4 simple ingredients. Well, your favorite raspberry vodka, a little vanilla syrup, some lemon juice, and then your favorite sparkling wine bubbles, whether it's Prosecco, Moscato. I happen to have some Moscato, champagne, Asti, whatever you choose, that's going to be great. And it calls for a glass, naturally, and it's real simple after that. An ounce of vodka, half an ounce of vanilla syrup, and vanilla syrup's real simple. You can just get your simple syrup. Figure, I use vanilla paste. You can use vanilla bean, vanilla paste. You can go I did it like this. 1 part water, 1 part sugar, and then the teaspoon part of that in vanilla paste. So I did a 1/3 cup water, 1/3 cup sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. If you're doing a cup, you do a cup, and a tablespoon, if that makes sense to you. But it'll be down in the description, so you won't have to worry about it. Half ounce of lemon. And then we're going to give it the ye old shake. Hopefully this doesn't leak all over. And here we go. Nice champagne flute. Clean up, it's a special occasion after all. And then just top it with your favorite sparkling wine. The Moscato gives a nice Valentine thing, and it's going to go over, but that's all right. And then just put 1 little raspberry in there. I was a little rambunctious with my sparkling wine pour. And as simple as that, you have your first Valentine's cocktail, the raspberry velvet fizz. All right, number 2 for Valentine's Day, if you're more of a whiskey fan, this one's for you. It's called the Midnight Romance. Your favorite bourbon, a little chocolate liqueur, and some blackberry simple syrup. Again, half sugar, half water, some fresh or frozen blackberries, cook them together, let them steep, strain it out, and you have blackberry simple syrup. Couldn't not be simpler. So this one calls for some bourbon, because I said it had bourbon in it. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. So tell me, what do you guys do things for Valentine's Day, special things? Do you make special cocktails? Do you go out? Do you stay in? Do you cook for your sweetheart? Do you buy your sweetheart dinner? You tell me. I want to know. Are you a jewelry giver? Are you what do you do? Flowers? Blackberry simple syrup. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, bourbon and blackberries is a very good combination. And this calls for 1 ounce of that. Look at that color. And then 1/2 ounce of our chocolate liqueur. This is some cream de cacao. A couple cubes. Give it a stir. Your favorite rocks glass. And a nice blackberry garnish. And there, Valentines for the whiskey lovers. The Midnight Romance. And finally, to round out our celebration of Valentine's Day, this one makes a great Valentine's after dinner cocktail or dessert. And that is the chocolate covered cherry martini. This beats those little chocolate with the goopy stuff with the cherries. I can't stand these, but I promise you this one has it hands down. And more simple ingredients: your favorite vodka, chocolate liqueur, cherry brandy or liqueur, some cream, and just to amp it up a little bit of cherry syrup. So to start this one, we need, it's one of everything, couldn't be simpler. One vodka, one chocolate, one cherry, one cream, and then just to round it off, a little bit of cherry syrup. It's cream, give it a good shake. So this one calls for a special glass. A nice chilled martini glass that I just striped with a little chocolate sauce, syrup, whatever. And then why not just a final flourish of a nice cocktail cherry. And there's your final one for the day, the chocolate covered cherry martini. All right, there's our 3 drinks celebrating Valentine's Day and all things romance and taking care of your sweetheart. So without further ado, let's get into these with ready, drink. I'm gonna try the bubbles first, I think. Cheers to Valentine's Day and all things that you are going to celebrate with your sweetheart. Oh, that's lovely. What is that? Raspberry, vanilla syrup, lemon. I mean, the predominant is, I get the raspberry from the vodka straight away. Get the sweetness from the sparkling wine because I use Moscato, but the lemon kind of tones it down a little bit, and then the vanilla just kind of rounds it out. Vanilla has that, that rich flavor. Really good. I think you could probably get away with using a drier wine. Prosecco Prosecco would be good. Something maybe like Brut, something like that. Because this could be with the syrup, the ras, and the Moscato. This could be a little sweet for a lot of people. So I think with the drier, it might be good. And next, let's try this. I mean, this is what I'm looking forward to because it's bourbon. I'm just going to dump those berries right in there. Cheers. That is like, it's got the chocolate liqueur in there, but I think what that does, it kind of amps up the richness of the bourbon, if you follow what I'm saying. And then you get the fruitiness, obviously, of the blackberry syrup. That's a really good drink. That, I mean, technically, you put a couple dashes of bitters in there, you guys have a hell of an old-fashioned, a blackberry kind of old-fashioned type of deal. But this is definitely something that I would drink on Valentine's Day or any other day for that matter. And I can because I got my syrup game together, and you should too. They keep couple, 2-3 weeks in the fridge, so. And then finally, for dessert, a little chocolate covered cherry. I'm not a big cherry, I like cherries, but I don't tend to like cherry flavored things. But that's really nice. Tastes like a chocolate covered cherry. There you have it, guys. I don't know what to tell you, but if you're celebrating Valentine's Day, you want to do something special, why not try one of these cocktails and show your sweetheart just how much you care for them? And while you're at it, why not subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground? We do holiday things like this, shots, reviews, competitions, live happy hours, whatever you can think of. And while you're at it, why not tell us what you'd like to see? And because we're open to all suggestions. So come back and see us again. And until you do, remember, I will save a seat at the bar for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Cheers.